But I would agree that 6 weeks is certainly not enough time to get any kind of meaningful deal on these sorts of issues that have plagued the U.S. China relationship for decades. Instead, I think what you're likely to see around that March 1st deadline is an agreement to continue talking, perhaps some sort of interim announcement that notes the progress that has been made. We could see some headline announcements on China agreeing to purchase substantially more of U.S. products. But certainly these structural issues are going to keep both sides at the table for the foreseeable future, and certainly probably throughout most of 2019.
If they do that, Meredith, they follow that tack, does that mean that we will not impose or heighten the tariffs, impose new tariffs or heighten the tariffs that are already in place?
Certainly. So and this is a play out of the 232 automotive tariffs that we've seen with the Trump administration as well. So long as both sides are meaningfully engaging in a negotiation, that will likely stave off a further tariff escalation. But look, as you've noted earlier in your program, we have global growth headwinds. You have increasing nervousness within markets about to what extent the world's two largest economies are going to come to some sort of accommodation. So we actually see momentum building on both sides towards some sort of agreement, some sort of deal. But it certainly will be a narrow deal. It will not be the kind of deal that will see the rapid rollback of tariffs that the U.S. has placed on China and China's placed on the U.S.
Stefan, do you see what Meredith sees, and that is a narrowing of differences that could lead to a deal? And I note in announcing the cancellation of these sort of sub-ministerial level meetings that the issues being pointed to there are ones that the Chinese really don't recognize. One is technology transfers. They say, we're not forcing anybody to transfer technology. Well, and number two, structural reforms to the Chinese economy, which seems like it would have, well, a snowball's chance, but it's very cold here today, but you know what I'm saying.
Well, I think it's a tale of two cities, Tyler. So I do think there is the opportunity to make real progress on forced technology transfer and the counterfeiting and theft of intellectual property. What they say on forced IP transfer is, we are not forcing any U.S. company or Western company to do this. They are doing it voluntarily to get access to our market and our customers, which of course is a bit phooey. Yeah. The question really is, are we going to get off this notion that they are fundamentally going to change their economic model and become something closer to a market economy, which I think is not going to happen, in the same sort of way that if they asked us to change our economy, we were not likely to accept the state sponsorship or a large state role in our economy.